Hello guys, back with me with more unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the HP Mini 1103130 TU from HP. I just got it today. They delivered it to my home under my name. Let's take it there. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. Not sure if you can see this. Got it there. A bit more. Okay, so yay, unboxing. How do I? Okay, so let's tear this side apart. Should be it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, well, opening now. Ooh. Ta-da! Whoa. So in the box, you basically get setup instructions. Okay, put aside. Petunjuk persiapan in bahasa Malaysia. That's in my native language, Thailand, I guess. So, the notebook itself, pretty small. Okay, actually, I didn't really buy this netbook. I subscribed a DSL line from my ISP, internet service provider. It was a student package where they give free netbooks to students who apply them. Only limited for 100,000 units. So I was one of them. Manual with disc, battery pack 6L, if I'm not mistaken. Quite a cave for just a netbook. So anyways, how important. Power cord. This is for the I don't know, UK and Malaysia, my country. Adapter, power converter. So back to notebook itself. startup button, memory card slot, memory card slot, 2 USB ports, local area network, locked in, battery slot, VGA output, AC connector, one more USB port, your headphone jack out. I think it has a built-in microphone. Anyways, go ahead and open it up. So, keyboard, Atom N450 starter, of course, screen protector, shipping screen protector. Not sure if you can see this. Yep, so it looks like this. Take this off. So it looks like this. So it's quite a good PC for mobile people, where you can bring this anywhere. It weighs about 2.2 kilograms. I'm not sure what it weighs in pounds. So that's basically it. Sorry for the unclarity. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with some reviews.